tonight I'm going to do the unboxing of the Dreamy Day of IVE. It's IVE's first photo book. I think it's also the first time I'm talking with you guys, so I talk slowly. English is not my first language, but oh my god, I'm so excited. Eugenie, so cute. Like, look, Annie, no, Annie, so cute. I didn't know this photo book would be so heavy. Oh my god, my bias. Oh my god. Ray with blonde hair is so cute. Like, she, Liz, Gao, I don't know, just fits so much. Wanya! Wanya? Wanya! I thought for a moment it was Lizzo. Lisa? But I don't know. They look so alike. I think because Wanya looks really young. Oh, Liz! Oh, she's so cute. She's with black hair here. Black hair, Liz. I'm getting nostalgic. I'm getting this after she got the blonde hair and the new comeback. My new albums aren't yet. My new albums didn't get here yet, but I will show you also. I took before from the box. I didn't do all the unboxing because I did for reels, and I will do for the shorts so you can see it there. And oh, here's Lizzo. And I actually say Lizzo because we say it like that in my country. I don't actually know if I'm saying it right. I'm sorry. I think my country we have, oh my god, the girls together. I think my country we got a very unique way of saying the names and probably are wrong, but anyways. Oh, here the girls together again. Oh, and oh, Lizzo was here. I think they could have put it a little bit more. Yeah, they put it too much together because the book's so big. It's hard to see, but the girls are so beautiful in this. Oh, I'm loving it. I want to show all of it, but I don't know if I can. It's too big. Like, look here. It's too big. So I'm going to show you just a few points. Oh, I'm going to show you one more. Oh, we have Eugene with lime. And Eugene with lime lemonade. Or it's just orange, I don't know. So cute. Watermelon Eugene. Oh my god, like, Gal is so beautiful here. I'm excited to see the DVD, to see the making of it, but I don't actually have a DVD in my house, so I need to get one. Oh, so cute. Look at these. We have Liz. Oh, Liz is so beautiful. Let's see. Oh, Liz. There's a lot of photos. When I was shipping, the girl that I bought from, she was saying like, oh, I can't put it together with other items because it's so heavy and so big. She didn't actually know it would be so big. I didn't know either. And oh, I'm so happy it's this big because we have a lot of photos of the girls. And oh, Wonyoung, she looks so pretty here. Oh, and a little duck. Actually, she's a chicken, but when I see these photos, I believe she's a duck. A little ducky. Because look at here, she's so cute. I love her. She's my bias. I love this hair. I do think the pink hair suits her so much, but now she's with black hair. I wanted the photo book to see her with blonde hair, and she got black hair so fast after that, so it was like, oh. But I like both of it. Oh, Lizzo, 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 yeah. So cute. She's also with a watermelon. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I don't think I can show you everything. It's going to close. I can't go on. Yeah, one more. The girls together, and I think I'm going to stop here and show you the other items. I didn't see any of it. Okay. So I'm going to put this here and see the items. I put the photo cards like here because I didn't want to see it. Oh my god, I saw one. First of all, I'm going to see this one. Oh my god, so cute. It's a pack, right? So these are, and it's raining 4 dives here, guys, and oh my god, it's so cute. And I'm doing this with one hand. I don't have support today. Oh, here, look, one genie, and the other girls, though they one young Lizzo. I don't actually know if I'm getting the ones that I like. I know these ones are like packs, but I don't actually know if I'm getting the ones that I want to. And we have the CD here. It's white. It's a white CD. Not very much happening here, but anyways, it's cute. What is the next one? Oh, I think this is a poster. So let's see later. Oh my god, I was just so excited for this. Like, look. And oh, I was thinking my camera was wrong, but it's like this. The writing, like, why? Am I in the wrong way? No, I'm not. Like, wait, why the writing like this? I don't know. Is this right? Oh, because it's a tattoo stickers. Oh, that's right. Oh, I thought it was normal stickers. Oh, okay. Now I get it. Oh my god. One jean. I just saw it. At least this one. I got an album. I think it was IVE that the photo card was like, I could see it before I could even open. I was very disappointed. But this one, they were like, they put it in a place that the fans couldn't see it. You had to take like everything out. Anyways, this is a pack I did see on the internet. Let's see. Oh, this is Yoonjin, and this is Gao. Oh, this is the photo I wanted from Lei. I'm so happy. This is my first photo card from her. I do get Gao's photo card and Lizzo photo card. Lizzo's photo card, I actually have 2. It came like duplicated, so I have 2 photo cards from Lizzo. It was very nice that was duplicated. I was very happy. Oh, here we have Wonyoung, and here we have Liz and Lizzo. This is the package. Oh my god, like, look here. I went to see the poster, but I need to open it, so I'm going to come back and cut it to this, and it would be already open. Okay, guys? Okay, I cut it. So now here we're going to see the... Oh, so cute, so beautiful. All the girls here. I already have a poster very big that I like put it on a frame. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Like, I don't know if I want to frame it or keep it. I still need to find out what I'm going to do. I think that's it, guys. I'm not going to like prolong myself, and I'm going to post like the out of the box part in the reels or in the shorts or whatever name it is. I'm so happy.